To replace this outer door handle with the door open, you can see this little black plastic cap here. We're going to have to remove this, and behind it will be a little screw or bolt. And with a T30, I'm going to remove this screw. Okay, it doesn't come out all the way, it just stays right there. Now we can remove this door lock cover. Perfect, as well as the door lock itself. Okay, it's still connected with the rod inside, so I'm just going to leave it right here. But at this point, I want to push this door handle that way and out. Take your new one, start it in at the front, and then at the back, press it back towards the front of the door to lock it in. There we go. Now put the lock back in place and reinstall the cover. Perfect. Tighten up this bolt, and let's put the cap on, and you're done.